in this problem, we have to find the coordinates of the focus. And we're given the equation of the parabola, and we are given the equation of the directrix. If you can remember something about the fact that the parabola will open up, maybe something like that, the equation of a directrix is a straight line that is going to be either above or below the parabola. And the focus is going to be inside the parabola. And I didn't draw that to scale, but it's going to be inside. Your parabola is going to be halfway between the focus and the directrix. Okay, so that's just a quick overview. So the first thing you need to do is notice that that equation is not in the correct order. So we need to solve it for y. But don't go all crazy and try to multiply through by 12 and square x minus 4. Let's just leave it in that format because that's the format we want. If we divide this side by 12, we're good to go here. 12 is going to cancel. We will just have y plus 3. I don't need the parentheses at that point. And instead of writing it as x minus 4 squared over 12, I'm going to write it as 1/12 x minus 4 squared. It is the same thing. One more step and then we're solved for y. We subtract 3. We subtract 3. We get x is equal to 1/12, or y is equal to, I'm sorry, x minus 4 squared minus 3. Now we have the format of the parabola in focus and directrix format, or vertex format. Right here and here are our h and k. They give us the turning point, or the vertex of my parabola. So if you look at your format sheet, we know that the vertex is going to be at 4, -3. So now I have a vertex on my parabola of 4, -3. There's going to be 4, 1, 2, 3. That's going to be 4, -3. Okay. Then we have a line for our directrix. Our directrix is going to be at -8. So I'm going to go down more to 8. I'm just going to draw in my line, labeling it y is equal to a -8. Make sure you know that it is going to be a line that's parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so here's our directrix at 8. That means this point down here, my y value is at 8. So I have a y value of a -8. My parabola is going to open up. It can't open down because it cannot cross the directrix. And if I take a look at this distance in here, my y distance from 3 to 8, that's 5 units. So this is 5 units. Remember what I said at the beginning, that the parabola is halfway between the focus and the directrix. Now the focal point lies on the axis of symmetry, so it's going to lie on that 4. Well, I have to go 5 units. So I'm 5 units from the directrix to the parabola. I'd have to go 5 units from my parabola up to my focal point. So if I go up to my x-axis, I'm at 3, and then I have to go 2 more. So I'm at 3 here, I have to go 2 more. Well, up 2 is just going to bring me to the point of 2 of my y value, and it's lying on the same point as my axis of symmetry. So your point for your focal point is 4, 2, even though that didn't come out too well. So if we write the coordinates for the focus, remember it's a point, so it has to be in parentheses, and there we have it.